Hi guys, just a short video to show you these rocker switches. So at the moment they're unscrewed, so you can still operate the joysticks freely. As you can see, they're still free. But as soon as you screw that thread down, it obviously adjusts the position slightly of the rocker switch. So the more you thread down on that, it'll turn it west. When I first bought these, I put them in the tripod position or cine mode because, you know, I would suggest trying it 100 feet up, because when I first put it on, dear. Anyway, so cut a long story short, I sent it up to 100 feet. I sent this one, I twisted this one down so it would go left. Obviously these are customized, these left and right on mine, and obviously there's the pan and stuff on this one, board right. And I screwed it down and it started going left, and that left me to, all I had to do then was brilliant, because just do the gimbal and the camera, zooming in, zooming out, etc. You'll see the video shortly. Would I recommend them? Yes, they're great. You know, when you get to have a bit of practice with them. Obviously in cine mode and the other two modes, well, I can't say, I forgot what they're called now, normal and sport, they're going to change the speed of the actual drone, so be very, very careful. And then when you're finished, unscrew them, and that'll free the joysticks to bring it back home. But I would not recommend you know, detaching them up in the air, or it'll send it off crazy. You know, really just unscrew them up and down, left and right, and you should be fine. I took a few practices to get this right. In the end, it's brilliant. I could just concentrate on the camera work, and you don't have to have two. You know, you just have one, go left and right, or forward, up and down. I see that it fits on the Mini3 Pro controller, so that's a bonus. And yes, you know, it's up to you if you want to try it. It's brilliant, but it's just a nice little accessory. And if you just want to do like a panning shot, you know, this is brilliant for it. At the end of the day, would I recommend them? Yes, I would recommend them. Practice with it first though, at height, until you get used to it, and yeah, you should enjoy it. Hours of fun with your drone. Thank you folks, bye.